Now, next topic I will now take too, and now I am going to technical topics. I hope you will be not bored by that. Well, I have come, what can I do? Even if I am bored, I can't run away. Next time I won't come. So there are some important issues are there. You know what is very important? We should understand well. If you don't understand well the important things, then that thing you will have take it wrongly. The topic will not be that you don't understand, it is okay. If I don't understand what is the demand of your house, it is fine. But if I don't understand what is the demand of my house, it will be a problem then. What is more closer to you, you should know it better. Therefore, when they go for marriage, they ask what is the nature of that person. Earlier days, when arranged marriage was there, now hardly any arranged marriage is there. So when they had this boy, how is the girl, what is her nature, what she likes, what she does not like. So what is close to us right now, you see, is a body. We should know what this body is. Acha, body is closer to us or mind? Mind. So we should know our mind also. If you don't know your body and mind, don't know something, man, that thing can become a source of your problem. Inability to handle something or somebody is indicative of I don't know him properly how to handle. Again I am repeating. When you don't know something which you have to live with, you will never know how to handle it, and mishandling will always create some kind of problem. If you mishandle your car, it can be accident. If you mishandle, one person was in there, he didn't know how to handle the tread machine where they run. So he brought it from somewhere. A lot of switches were there. He was told, but he didn't know how to handle it. Something happened, he fell flat. If you don't know how to handle, it indicates you don't know that thing or person properly, what he is, what he does not want. When we lived in our house, so we knew very well what is the nature of my grandfather, what is the nature of my grandmother, what is the nature of my father. And if I did not know, I will have problem. Supposing he called me, and I said, so he will come after that. I have to now, my class will start. He will not scold. He will say when somebody elder called, you should not reply like this. You should say, Ji Baba Ji Dada Ji, aa rahe hain hum. Sorry. And if father calls, then you can't reply like this also. Ji Papa Ji, I am coming. You have to leave everything and go. If you don't do that, he will come in the room. And after that, he will say, I called your name. I said, yes. What are you doing here now? Don't you have the sense that you should have come when I called you? He will never beat or something. But very face, because he was a principal. So very face and very appearance at that time used to give a shiver. Used to get up, okay, my head was down. Next time don't do like that. When I call, leave all the work and come. Okay. Never I could say in loud voice, this is wrong, I don't want to do this work. Even he was wrong, supposing, I used to keep quiet only. So when you live, then you are fine. When you live with somebody, and you have to interact frequently with that person, you should know how to interact so that interaction doesn't bring reaction. What is the nature of that person? If you don't know this nature of this will bring this will bring this, then you will invite more disturbances for yourself. We live very closely with our gross body, with our mind. I'll just grossly call it. There are 3 bodies we have. That is called Shariratrayam, called gross body. Second is subtle body, not subtle body. It is subtle body, and third is causal body. Now don't forget, these are casual, this is important terms. First was loudly gross body, second casual body. Okay. Second is subtle body, and third is causal body. Know these terms, क्या फर्क पड़ता है भाई? This gross body, now with this Shariratrayam, you have to be very, very careful. This is called Shariratrayam. Technical terms are there. When we study Shariratrayam, I will consider 4 things. One is raw material, second is components, third is function, and fourth is nature. Well, you slowly say so fast, you said I just raw. Slowly say. I will write also, otherwise you will ask next time and I can't answer then. I also have to know your nature, what you don't like. So accordingly, I will also try to behave. First is called raw material, second is called components, third is called function, fourth is called nature. With these 4 subheadings, we will deal with all 3 bodies. Okay, I'm remembering raw material, components, function and nature. Okay. I am by-hearted, I think. Okay, tell me. First is raw component. And second is what is it called? Nature of the function. You by heart properly, okay? Don't put here and there. 4 things I said, and in this 4 heading, raw material, component, function, and nature. Let us now go one by one. This is Sthul Sharir, which is very important. Around our whole body, our whole schedule is around Sthul Sharir. Your cosmetics, your morning taking bath, whole life is around Sthul Sharir. Earlier days, there has to be simple bathroom. One tap was there with one bucket. Now, Maharaj, one shower from the top, one hand shower is there, one tub is there, jacuzzi, because I don't know what is all these things. Jacuzzi. So you sit on the tub, and from all sides, that is jacuzzi, no? See, I have never taken bath in jacuzzi, neither I want to take bath. Neither I take bath in the tub. I am simple person. Best is bucket. If bucket is not there, shower is there. That is enough for me. And my bath is completed within 5 minutes. Within 5 minutes. It's not that I have opened that I was standing and singing. All these things not there. So within 5 minutes, my tap will be over. And I hardly use soap. Hardly use soap, yes. Because every day I take bath. So, little soap. 2 minutes. That bath is over within 5 minutes. Within 10 minutes, I am back. Only what take time is this hair. And every time I take bath, this hair I wet. It's not that once in a week like the girls, they every day, twice a day. So some doctor said if this water is in the hair, you will have cold. So I take time to, take the towel and dry it. That is the only time. This hair takes time, little time. If you say, I will remove the hair also, I have no problem. Huh? No. Then I can also go with Abhijit and for share. I have no problem. But only thing you can't recognize me. It happened when I got sannyas. I went for talk. Bole, where is Swamiji coming? So, you are his disciple. So where is he coming? So this body is very interesting. All our routine, lot of thing is given on body. But interesting thing is body is made out of five Mahabhut only. Don't see this body very subjectively. Try to see this body as a packet. Packet, yes. One smart packet is there. One very nice packet has been made, very sophisticated packet. Very sophisticated packet which has kidney also, liver also, heart also, lungs also. And very body is very technical. And lot of diseases can be in this packet, but it is not a very good packet. Better you get rid of this packet forever. It is very dirty packet. Demands maintenance also. Every day walk, every day do exercise. Every time, every few minutes eat. You get up, sit, stretch, sleep, go for haircut, go for shave, every day shave, take medicines. Insult is of this packet, honor is of this packet. This packet of five element, see this body objectively as something not belonging to you. Because you are not this packet. And if you have more dispassion, if you want to have more dispassion, why should I have dispassion? Dispassion means you should be detached for something. Dispassion means non-influencing power of the world. When I don't have detachment, I have given the world to right that if you don't give me, I will be very disturbed. If you want to have more dispassion, if you don't want, then I'm saying something, don't get afraid. Don't get afraid what I'm saying, what I'm going to say. Well, don't say something, I'm already a very scared person. No, you see your body as a dead body, lying down on the floor. One day that day will come. For some it may be soon. And that day, that body is lying down on the floor. And there is one, what is it called? The cover which is put on the dead body. One word is there. You cover that body. Something is there. It is there on that. And that body, you see it mentally. Don't tell it to anybody that your body is covered. No, don't tell it. It is not for others. It is for your body. He will beat you otherwise. So, this sadhana will result in medical treatment. So, So you see the body is lying down, and this body, and you are seeing from a distance your own dead body is there, is lying down like. ठीक है, and sometimes mouth etc. is open, so they put something to tighten it also. And there is some, let's say something auspicious. Wait, listen. Now you have to listen. You have come all the way. So there is some cotton is there. Cotton is put on the two nose also, and you are like this. Eyes are half closed, half. So this habit was in the satsang. So. So ultimately, so they tried to close the eyes also. So the eyes is now fully closed. And you know, you are like that. You are lying down like that. Now you are lying down like that. And this body is now, 4 people are carrying, because we are always overweight. So now, 4 people needed to carry that. And it is put in the mortuary also. Because funeral will be, children have not come. One child is in Britain, other in America. He is in mortuary also. This is the gross body. Sushnagaras. See, I used to think a lot on these things. Because I have stayed near, my hobby was to go to cremation ground and watch. So when these bodies used to come, I used to think about this body also. So now no relations are there, everything is there. Now this body has been taken away to the crematorium, and it is consigned to flames. This is just for your, don't tell all these things. This is just for your personal sadhana. That means I should not have given so much of importance, so much of good food, so much of cosmetic attention, so much of good clothes. I am not this body. This is the first thing. Raw material was 5 element. Panchattvam gata. Therefore in Sanskrit says, if anybody dies, one word is there, Panchattvam gata. This body has been offered to 5 elements now. Therefore in Hindus they burn the body. Burning means what? The earth element has gone to earth, fire has gone to fire, air element has gone to air, water has gone to water element. So that loan that was taken, it has gone. This is the raw material of this body. This body is not very important. If somebody insults, it is worth insulting only. There is no greatness in it. Nose, eyes, all these are nothing but 5 elements. If somebody honors, it is not worth honoring. I am honoring the vritti and not the body. ठीक है? This is there. And there is no relation with this body with another body also. There is no relation. Nobody will go with this body. बोले अच्छा, my father is in the furnace, I am also going in the furnace. So that is there. That won't happen now. बोले हम लोग साथ रहे हैं हमेशा. We ever live together. Now you also go? No, I won't go. So this is the raw material of the body is 5 elements and not you. You are not a part of 5 elements. I'll come to it. Shariratrayam anyatra atma. So you don't forget, this is the main theme. Main theme is what is I and what is the relation with this body. So this is the raw material is 5 elements. So dark body, white body, what is colored body, tall person, short person, male, female. All these are not very important words for significant words. This is not very big issue about this body. Okay. This is the nature of this body. So don't get very affected by this body. Therefore, when they take to brahmachari or sannyasi, they are asked not to put any ornaments. You can't have a nice earring as a sannyasi. You can't have a nice watch, or you can't have a nice, what is it called, nose ring, or you can't have a bangle. Therefore, our brahmacharis, you will see, there is nothing there. Why? Because you are in the process of negating the body. You have taken your life to negate the body. Therefore, don't decorate the dead body. There is no point in decorating it. Seeing the death of the body while living, that is the sadhana of a seeker. So instead of aham buddhi in the body, panch mahabhut buddhi should be there. Instead of I in the body, only take one bag of 5 element. A typical 5 element, it has bones, marrows, flesh, all these things are there, kapha, pitta, all these things are in this body, which is composed of this body. Therefore, this is not a very big issue if I was not this body. Unless this body is treated, you will not come to the Atma. This is the raw material of this body. I hope you are clear. What are the components? Everybody knows Shira is there, Shira, head is there. Everybody knows, I need not tell. Paksh is there. Then Puch. Puch means legs in Taitri. Then Atma means central part is there. Simple. Everybody knows what are the components of this body. Then function, please be careful. Function of the body is called Bhogayatanam. Body is the temporary residence used by individual. It's like a leased house. You have to leave this house in few years. 60-year occupancy is there. 65-year occupancy is there. Who occupies? Jeev. Temporary residence of the Jeev. He has to give up. No, even if he doesn't give up, he will be evicted. Laws are not in his favor. That if he doesn't want to go, tenant's law is there. Nowadays, if the tenant doesn't want to leave, laws are in his favor. He may not leave. He can say, I have no place to go. I can't afford. No, but you need not worry. Yamraj is the one. Yamraj comes with one rope. So laws don't favor you. They will extract you out of this. Acha? So this is the temporary resident in which he will live and function. It's called Bhogayatanam. I am simplifying as much as possible. Third place, function. Function is residential. This residential is there. After that, it will live. Why? It will live. Gurudev used to say, transfer order comes. Transfer order means death. Death is transfer order. Now you have to take another body. Another child body is waiting now. In other wombs, child body is waiting. This birth, he was Rakesh Chandra. He was a man, Rakesh Chandra, very well built. Now he is going to become Simmi. So I hope nobody's name is there. So he will now take a smaller body. So he is now going to that body now. Why? Because that body will give fruit of action. So this is called the function Bhogayatanam. Tattvabodh says Ayatan means it is the residential place. Is it okay? इतना हम लोग परेशान होते हैं with this body. There is no very big thing about that. What is the bigger issues we don't address. What is more trivial issues we address a lot. Problem in life is that what is important is I could not make it important. And what was worth overlooking, I have made it very important. So this is the raw material component function. I hope you are clear. Very, very clear. Fourth was nature. Don't forget this point. Tomorrow I will ask. Tomorrow I won't come. So, nature of this body is very typical. Body is of changing nature. What is that changing nature? It has Shat Vikar. Shat Vikar. Sixfold modification is there. What is sixfold modification is there? What is sixfold modification? So, first is Jayate. Asti. Asti means it is there. In the mother's womb, it exists. He has conceived. She has conceived. Conceived. Got my point? Zygote is there. So zygote, not goat. Later on he becomes goat. So one is zygote is there. So zygote is a very small. Asti ho gaya. Bole conception is there. Now baby is growing in the womb. Some are overweight before being born. Some children, some baby, when they are born, they are overweight. You know that? Their birth is difficult because they are overweight from the beginning. Aage kya hoga? So what is the normal? 5 pounds. 5 pound. Normal weight. 3 pound. 3 kilo. He is 6 kilo. So he is quite big baby is there. So some babies are very, very big. Very big. So it is asti means body is there. Then jayate. Jayate means he is out of the womb is called jayate. He is now born. Then he starts growing. Vardhate. Till what age? Till what age person grows? 30? No. Height I mean. I don't think 30 a person grows. Let us make it 20 at the most. I think 18 is enough. 18 he grows. Vertically, after that horizontally. So he grows, he becomes taller. People say also, he's become so tall. Then others relatives who come after 5 years, Raju, you have become so tall. He starts shaving also. If even no beard is there, he starts shaving unnecessarily. He said, I will also shave. So unnecessarily he does shave. He starts trimming his mustache and all. So Vardhate is there, growing. His voice changes. There's a changes in his body, etc. People say, he's become smarter now. So this is Vardhate is there. Between 20 and 30, he's almost same. He's same. Youthful is going on. गजब की body भगवान ने बनाया. After 30, viparinamate starts. He is appearing to be same, but modification is started. That is called viparinamate. Don't forget these steps. Asti jayate means growth. Viparinamate, vardhate, growth. Then viparinamate means metamorphosis. Metamorphosis. Oh, very nice word is. Then after 40, body hai na, 40 is there. Then all diseases are waiting here and there. Back pain is there. If you go to the doctor, he said, what is your age? 40. Bole, take glasses. No, first test. Bole, first take glasses, then I'll test. So all the diseases diseases make you feel that now you are not that young also. So this is called viparinamate after 40. So modifications have, apakshiyate. Viparinamate is before that. You are about to change. Some modifications there. Apakshiyate means now the graph is coming down. Little, I can't digest like that. I can't run like that. And 50 onward, after 50, this viparinamate, apakshiyate is more faster. More faster. And after 60, it is more faster. You have to get up slowly. You have to stand slowly. Sometimes you have to, you say, I can't digest this. Somebody asks, you have to take the book and do like this. So these things start. You start forgetting. You start forgetting where I have kept my keys. You ask, what? So this age is called apakshiyate. So body is losing its control over itself now. It is not alert, agile. It can't do lot of work. And ultimately, Vinashyati iti. This is called Shatvikar. So if you see the comparison, one person was born, if you make him every photo, so he will be very nice, young, is bright, brilliant, beautiful, handsome. And when he goes to 40s and 50s, so if you see the young, the actresses, etc., you will see the same actress. Saira Banu is same actress is there. They are totally not like Dilip Kumar is there, all this thing. ये अपक्षीयते हो गया उनका पूरा अपक्षीयते हो गया. हाँ, that glow has gone. Bhagwan took away all that glow. So body is now reduced to, slowly is getting ready for the end. End is there. Please note, all these things are told to tell that I am not changing. This is called Shatvikar. I hope it is clear. Raw material, component, function and nature of the GB. GB, gross body. Okay. That is GB. Acha? Beauty has gone. Beauty has gone. Hairs much before it has gone. Before even Viparanamati came, your hairs became apakshite. So that is there. So that has gone. Acha? So that body is going through this process. You were born like this, started growing, started becoming big, and slowly they. ऐसा ही है. विनश्यति. तो क्या हुआ? बोले बॉडी का डेथ हो गई. बोले it is over. हाँ, it is now. He has no more now. Now cremation is also over. Cremation is also over. अपक्षीयते हो गया. All is gone. Where is he now? No, he is no more now. बोले we pray for him. We pray for the departed soul. R.I.P. R.I.P. So rest in peace. You never give peace to anybody. At least you now be in peace. So so now this is now rest in peace, and we also will rest in peace. So this is now the process of this body which I am not. ये तो एक टुकड़ा है. This is one piece, like you have a piece of cake. Similarly, this piece of 5 element which is going here and there, trying to do this thing, actually it is nothing to do with real I. This is the topic which you will be seeing in tomorrow's class. We will take the subtle body and causal body with these 3 components. Please try to see the body as an object, and not very big importance should be given to the body. More importance you will give, more after that it will bind you. We will see more tomorrow.